you're doing the colonics with magnets.
Yes, I noticed the other day when I had the magnets on somebody that I was working on that I felt an effect from the magnet. Like, I can't really explain it. It felt like something on that quantum level. I felt like my consciousness was definitely opened up and I was able to see more things intuitively. She was having the situation where she was trying to justify her behavior. She felt justified with her behavior. And then she said, as I was laying there, I came to realize that my behavior is not consistent with my beliefs that I claim to have, and I really do need to evaluate the behavior versus making up excuses as to why the behavior is okay. And I thought, now that's cognitive dissonance, and most people don't typically respond to it that way. And her initial response wasn't that. So it was after laying there with the magnets for 20 minutes that she said, as I'm laying here, and I didn't think about it at the time, but when she got up, I thought, oh, that's interesting, because those are the types of things that I see happening around that. Like, it's expanding your consciousness. It gives you a little bit of ability to see, not to be the tree in the forest, but rather to see from a bigger perspective, I feel like.